Hello my lovelies, and today I have Yolissa hair, and as you can see I was matching the box because you know this is giving me very much cute Barbie vibes kind of thing. So anyways, everything is pink in the box, which I love. So you got eyelashes, which are in the box as well. You got the HD wig cap, which I love that they've sent this out now because the wig caps are just so seamless if you are going to do a bowl cap method. They've got this satin bag to put the wig in after, so it's nice and it doesn't stay frizzy and whatnot. So this is the lace, and I believe this is a 5x9, and it's literally a beautiful lace closure wig. It's 24 inches, a medium cap, and it's water wave, and the lace is long. Like you could easily like have this as a frontal, to be honest. But I love the 5x9s because you can do so much with them. You could even do yeah, like I said, a frontal kind of look if you want to do a side part and whatnot. It's just so much space. As you can see, the lace is completely white, and it's not my skin tone, so we did have to go in and we're going to basically put foundation on, and we're going to basically focus right at the front of the lace, which I'm doing right here. You don't need to take this off, like I just did it on my head. And by the way guys, if you see that I'm two different skin tones on my forehead, I had a wig on before this and I was using mousse and my makeup kind of like, you know, came off. But anyways, and I was using a mousse tint as well that kind of darkened my forehead. But anyways, as you can see, it just blends in seamlessly after you put the foundation on. So I was just trying to test it out to see how much more foundation I need, and I forgot that it's such a long closure, so I had to do the sides. So we're going to go for the wear and go kind of method, which basically means that we're not going to be using any glue to stick down the wig. I love this method because it comes with a wig cap, so again it comes with a wig band at the back, so again you're not having to sew any band on, so that gives security anyways. But what happens, and what I found as well, is that when I do baby hairs and I lay my baby hairs down, it kind of melts the lace into my skin, and I don't really need to use the glue then in order to like have the lace like sat down straight, if that makes sense. Like I do not need any glue because the baby hairs kind of just melts the lace better. So but anyways, look, you'll see the video and you can see me explaining more because I am terrible at explaining stuff. But yeah, I'm doing this to every one of my wear and go wigs, literally the same thing that I've been doing in the past, laying baby hairs. And I feel like the baby hairs just does something to it, especially with curly hair. I love baby hairs with curly hair. And again, I'm still trying to work on my baby hairs. I cannot do it for the life of me. But then again, I haven't been really practicing. The only time I do baby hairs is when I'm doing videos, to be honest with you. Usually I get my hair done by Daedrin and she slays my baby hairs each time. So I've not really had to practice. But for the sake of the video, I did baby hairs on myself because like obviously the look just goes so much better with baby hairs. But I feel like I've been saying baby hairs now for the past minute. But anyways guys, just look what I've been doing. And then the next step, do you know what I love about this hair as well? I did not have to use any heat. All I have to do is just use a spray bottle and mousse, and that was it. Like usually with wigs I have to go in with my hot comb to flatten it down, but just look how flat this wig is already laying on my head. And also I love how it's pre-plucked. I did not have to do much at all, and like I'm doing here, I'm just defining the pattern a bit more, which I've defined a little bit too big, so I had to go in with like a coloured spray to basically help with that pattern. But yeah, it's just a very low maintenance wig, which I love. Even the curls are popping already. I don't have to do much. So if you want to keep it like this, then by all means. But of course, if you want to define the curls more, then you go in with some hair mousse and, you know, and you spray it up. But yeah, it's just a low maintenance wig, which you know me, I love. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. All the description of the wig will be below, but like I said, it's 24-inch. It's a water wave, which I have not done water wave in years. Water wave was my go-to back in the day. I'm talking about a good 5, 6, 7 years ago. I haven't done water wave in years, but I'm absolutely in love. I need to jump on the water wave trend again, especially for like beach vibes, and you know. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. This hair is absolutely stunning. Yolissa hair, I cannot fault them. They're honestly my go-to. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.